When looking at the number line, what comes to mind? Having a horizontal line that is laying on a particular line on your grid. And once you have that, we're going to begin by introducing our middle point. Usually it is also known as the origin, where it is going to be position 0, and this here is recognized as our origin. And to the right of our origin, or at the number 0 or integer 0, we make equal spaces and we put our tick marks on it. So we're going to go 4 units in this case, and we put in our ticks, and another 4 units, another tick, 1 2 3 4, and this here must be equal. That is why we have 4 4 4. And this here to the right, that is where our positive integers are positioned, starting at number 1 and positive 2. Let's put our positive here, positive 3, and so on. And on the other side of our origin, we have equal spaces, in this case 4 steps to the left, and we're going to put our ticks 1 2 3 4, 1, that's our negative 1, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4. So in here we're having our negative integers to the left of 0, and since we have highlighted first tick to be negative 1, we're going to move over and place negative 2, and next one negative 3, and so on. Take note that real numbers are placed on a number line on the horizontal line, and the real numbers consist of our rational numbers, and we have our irrational numbers that are laying on this number line. So those are the key terms to keep in mind. When it comes to rational numbers, we can have examples, like for example here is usually located to be 4/9. Another one can be, in this case, over between 1 and 2, we have 1.7. However, for irrational numbers, we can have the number here to be represented as pi 3.14, which is a continuous number, and we can have just after negative 3, we might have a number here that is around the negative square root of 11, or around negative 1 and negative 2, just closer to, we can have our irrational number to be negative pi over 2. Take note that on the horizontal line from the origin to the right, we are moving in the positive direction. However, from the origin to the left, we are moving in the negative direction.